everyone. You find me about 3 or 4 miles north of Kenmore. Today I'm going to be head to a place called Pubil. It's a dead end road. There's a hydroelectric dam along here. And I've got my drones with me. It's been full of fun since I come along here. I went over Glen. I got to the double hairpins, are really sharp, tight and steep, and a dumbass HGV driver, lorry driver, tried to bring a bloody truck down there. I'll show you a video. Now look at this joyful. I'm on Glen Creek at this double hairpin and somebody's trying to bring a friggin' lorry down here. What a complete and utter dick. Look how tight this is and he's bringing it down here. That guy's a lunatic. Anyway, the road's blocked, can't get past, I'll have to turn around. Awesome pictures, one of the two. Now, I didn't expect as many folk on this road, I've got to be honest with you. But there you go. I wonder if they're going all the way to the end. When I got there, the lorry driver was in a car, got in someone's car, and they were going to take them to get assistance of a tractor to come out. That's going to be interesting because if he comes from the bottom end, as you'll have seen in the picture, how is the tractor meant to get behind the lorry to drag it back up the road? Weather started off really bad today. Lots of fog, mist, and very cold air. However, the fog is rolling from west to east. We're getting them out of day, aren't we? Fudging fake. Couldn't have let me pass, could you? There we go. Hope they're paying road tax now for those sheep. Yeah, I could have quite easily got past that. Right, now we are going up to the right. Oops. Oh, this is pretty stunning. Big stag in the field. Well, I finally passed the 1,000 subs mark, thank you very much everyone. However, it's YouTube, so what goes up must come down. So I think at the moment that's 4 times I've hit the 1,000, only for 1 or 2 folk to leave it. So I was down to 998. And then over the weekend I went up to the 1,000 again. All just a big game, eh? Anyway, thanks very much everyone for watching, commenting and probably even liking. That's a very interesting route. This is good. This is what I came up here for. Although nobody's saying that if I hit a big bloody tractor, eh? Wow. Stunning. I probably would have seen that, but there's a big ravine down there. There's a river at the bottom. We're heading towards something called Glen, Lyon. That's what this place is. There we go. It's opened up a bit. Into quite a fabulous view. Simply amazing. Oh, that's a scene to behold. Sheepies. Looks like they're getting haircuts. Very nice. Clearly the entrance to an estate. Water running down the side of the mountain there. Just up there. That'll be pretty amazing when it's hammering down. This is one heck of a gritty road, particularly in the middle bit. You can maybe just see the darker colours. Gate shut. And here we are. Oh, I thought we were a bit more to go, but it appears we have arrived at the dam. Here we go. No, maybe not. Ah, it's one of them anyway. I didn't realise there was two. Because it's definitely saying 12:49 for my destination, so clearly not the dam. Look at that peak. That's a tall devil. Someone playing on the water. Ah, there's the dam this time. You can see it just in front of us. We're just about arrived. Now, what a tremendous road this has been. I kind of like to find is a bit further afield from my home than that. That damn lorry cost me a lot of time. I was supposed to be here at 12 o'clock, it's 10 to 1. And I'm still not actually there. I've still got a little bit to go, although I can see it. A pretty impressive sight, I think you'll say. And this is us arrived. Got the drone up, got some great shots, I think. Put the Mavic Pro up, original Mavic Pro. I started to annoy some birds, so I stopped. I came down, clearly in their territory. I hope everyone enjoyed this little video. It's another cracking road, another fantastic road in the mountains of Scotland. And until the next time, we'll see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye.